If you see this light flashing on your Breville Barista Espresso Machine, this means your espresso machine needs a deep clean. Today I woke up and I wanted to make my cup of coffee at home. But when I turned on my espresso machine, this cleaning light started flashing. It has been 1 month since I last deep cleaned my espresso machine. So when this light goes on, I know it's automatically the time to clean my espresso machine. This is very important. If you want to properly take care of your espresso machine, you need to do it as soon as possible. So let me walk you through the steps of how you can clean your Breville Barista Espresso Machine. Here are the tools that you're going to need to clean your espresso machine. Start with the pot filter, a single cup basket. You will need also the cleaning tablets and a silicone disc. Remove the standard filter basket. And replace it with a single cup basket. Then insert the silicone disc inside the single basket. And place the cleaning tablet in the center of the silicone disc. To start the automatic cleaning cycle, you're going to turn off your espresso machine. Refill up your water tank to the maximum level with cold water. Then empty the dripping tray. After doing this, then insert in your pot filter with your cleaning tablet. Press the 1 cup, 2 cup and the power on button all at the same time. Hold this button for 10 seconds and this will start the cleaning cycle. The automatic cleaning cycle might take around 5 minutes, so you're going to need to sit back and relax. As the espresso machine is cleaning, here's something amazing that I've learned using this Breville Barista Espresso Machine. This is the only espresso machine which has the cleaning indicator. It shows you when you need to clean your espresso machine. My first time seeing this light go on, I didn't know what it really meant, so I continued using my espresso machine. But after I decided to do a research about it, and this is when I knew how amazing this feature was. So this time around, when the light went on, I need to do a deep cleaning of my espresso machine. So this is the video that I'm making. So if you find this video to be useful, give it a like button. And if you're someone who hasn't followed me, yes, I'm a barista. I share different knowledge about making coffee, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more about coffee and becoming a barista. At the end of the cleaning cycle, you'll hear 2-time beeping of the espresso machine. This means the cleaning cycle is done. You're going to need to remove the pot filter and check if the cleaning tablet has fully dissolved. If not, you're going to need to repeat this full cycle until the cleaning tablet fully dissolves. Then turn off your espresso machine, place the 1 cup, 2 cup and the power on button to restart the cleaning cycle. You're going to wait for more 5 minutes so that the espresso machine can fully clean itself and also the cleaning tablet to fully be dissolved. At the end of the cleaning cycle, you'll hear 2-time beeping of the espresso machine. This means the cleaning cycle is done. So once the cleaning tablet has fully dissolved, throw the dirty water from the dripping tray. Assemble your dripping tray. Insert in the standard pot filter basket into your pot filter. Insert the pot filter into the group head, then place a cup below the pot filter. Press the 2-button cap. You may see the water from your espresso machine clean, but in reality your espresso machine needs a deep clean. See, when I remove this shower screen, it's dirty. This is going to lower the quality of your shot of espresso and it will lead to a bad tasting shot of espresso. Wash it and ensure it's also clean. Then you're going to also need a coffee group head brush. This is used to brush and remove the remaining residues on your shower screen and also the group head. This is going to ensure your espresso machine is well cleaned. Screw the shower screen back to the group head. Make it tight enough so that it doesn't come out. Then also clean the pot filter basket and also the pot filter. Make sure each and everything you're using is fully clean. Insert it in the group head, then put a glass below the pot filter and press the 2-cup extraction button so that you can rinse and remove all the remaining residues from your group head. Rinse until the water becomes clear and very clean. After doing this, then you can start brewing your cup of coffee. Make sure to throw your first shot of espresso that you're going to use after cleaning your espresso machine, because this is most of the time not really that perfect shot of espresso for you to drink. The next espresso is the ideal one that you should start testing and start making your cup of coffee, your different lattes and the cappuccinos using your espresso machine. These are the simple steps that you can take to properly clean your Breville Barista Espresso Machine. But if you're a barista and you're using the commercial espresso machine, make sure to watch this video next, because it's a full guide on how you can clean the commercial espresso machine, the La Marzocco Classic Espresso Machine.